If you have a carbide rod, but you don't have an electronic scale, how do you know how much it weighs?
I will show you how to calculate the weight of one tungsten carbide rod. Here you can see a formulation we are going to use later. First, let's take an example of our carbide rod. Zoe, can you please show us the example rod?
Yes, I take a carbide rod. This is a carbide rod. Its diameter is 18 millimeter. Its tolerance is 1.6 mm. The length of it is 331 mm. The density of it is 14.3.
So according to what Zoe just says, I wrote down all these numbers for the example carbide rod. As you can see, the diameter for the carbide rod is 18 millimeter and the tolerance is 1.6 millimeter. From these two, we can calculate the radius of the carbide rod, which is 18 plus 1.6 divided by 2 is 9.8 millimeter. Then we got all the numbers we need for this formulation. Let's plug all the numbers in. First, we use pi with 3.14 as the number for pi, and then we multiply it by the 9.8 squared, and then multiply the 331 multiply 14.3 divided by 10 to the 6th power. Zoe, can you please tell us the final answer for this formulation?
Yes, their final weight is 1.427 kilo.
1.427.
Yes.
Okay. This formulation can only help us to calculate the theoretic weight of the carbide rod. And there will be some difference between the actual weight and the theoretic weight. So let's take a look at the actual weight. So from the electronic scale, the actual weight is 1.408 kilogram. You can see from the numbers that there is not a big difference between these two numbers, which means our calculation is actually working. So if you have any other diameter or other kind of rods, just plug all the number in. Do you think you actually get the formulation? And if you don't, welcome to contact us for any help or for any question as well. Thanks.